Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am back in the kitchen to do a quick unboxing for you of the December 2018 Joyful Jordan box from Jordan Essentials. So if you currently receive the subscription box and you haven't gotten yours in the mail yet and you don't want to know what's in the box and what's coming, then you might want to stop watching from here. This is your spoiler alert. Otherwise, if you're excited like I am to see what's in this month's Joyful Jordan box, then we will get started. And just a reminder, this is a subscription box that you can buy just one at a time. If you just want one, like you want to get a bunch of them for holiday gifts, you can do that. If you want to subscribe and have it be a recurring order, you can do that. If you just want to do a 3-month subscription and try it out for 3 months or 6 months or 9 months or 12 months, you can do that. They do have a Perks Club. So if you buy at least the 3-month prepaid subscription, you get entered into the Perks Club, which gets you a coupon every quarter for, it's usually around 70% off of one item that the company chooses, and it's usually a big item. So one time it was the large Dead Sea salts, which are like $40, and you got it for 70% off. So if that's something you're interested in, I highly recommend doing the Perks Club and doing the prepay subscriptions that come bundled by 3, 6, or 9, or 12 months. Otherwise, let's go ahead and open it up. I'll stop talking. We'll see what we've got in here. So this is how the box comes. Usually each month there is a card, and they design it so one side is a nice little quote. Sometimes it's a Bible verse like this one. The Lord has done great things for us, and we are filled with joy. And that is Psalm 126:3. And then the back side of the card will have a little note about what's in the box. So you can see, this is kind of your sneak peek here. It looks like we have the Apple Orchard Shea Butter. So let me show you that. So Apple Orchard is not a regular scent. In years past, they've had an apple scent of one kind or another, and it's no longer in the catalog. This year, I think the September Joyful Jordan box maybe had the Apple Orchard scent in a lotion bar. So now we have it in the little, I believe these are 2 ounce, yeah, the little 2 ounce Shea body butter tub. So I really like these little tubs because they're great to throw in your purse, or if you just want to keep a little lotion at your desk and just kind of tuck this in a drawer, you've got it. And my favorite thing about the tubs is I get every last little ounce and drop of lotion out of the container before I recycle it. So I know some people prefer the tubes of lotion, and that's great too, but I always end up cutting mine apart at the end and scraping out the last little bit. So that's why I like these little tubs. And then the next thing, this is something I have not seen before. So this says Pear and Spice Bar Soap, handmade old-fashioned bar of soap to take you to a simpler time. So they do currently have some glycerin soaps in the catalog, but this is different from anything we have in the catalog right now. The scent alone, I've never even heard or smelled this, so it's a really subtle, it's good. It's not very strong. It has just a little bit of the spice, but then a little bit of that kind of warm, sweet, fruity smell. I don't know how to describe it. It's not very strong at all. It might be stronger once you kind of get it wet and start using it, but oh, this is cool. So the ingredients are super simple. So we have olive oil, soybean oil, coconut oil, corn oil, sunflower seed oil, shea butter, a little bit of water, sodium hydroxide, and fragrance. So that is a kind of a cool little gift if you want to give someone some Jordan Essentials that's packaged a little differently and kind of a unique product. That is something that you cannot get in the catalog. Actually, I don't think any of these are available in the catalog, so that's pretty cool too. All right, next we have the Frankincense and Orange Spritzer. It says, perk up your senses with Christmas classic fragrances. Use as personal spray or on linens. So I think it was last year, either for the customer special or for the Joyful Jordan box, they had a larger bottle of this Frankincense and Orange spray, but I have not seen this 1 ounce spray before. So it says comfort, clarity, and mental health. And so I have smelled it before, and I'm trying to think of how to describe it. It's kind of like an earthy, spicy, citrusy smell because of the orange. I had never smelled frankincense prior to the last time they had this, so I wasn't sure what to expect, but it's nice. It's not as familiar as like clove or cinnamon, but it kind of has that warm, earthy spice reminiscent of those, and then the orange comes through nicely too. So that's a great little one, especially this little 1 ounce size. That's, you know, a great little gift. You could give that to a teacher, put a few, you know, pieces of chocolate in there and a nice little thank you note, and that's kind of a handy little one to either keep in your purse or, you know, at the desk. Sometimes you need that in a school situation. And let's see, the last thing in here is this cranberry orange shea butter. And it says rich shea butter with sweet fruits of the season. And I have smelled cranberry orange before. They had this as a fall scent, I think last year in the catalog. So this year around, it's just kind of shown up in a few little products here and there that were special exclusive like this. So it's again that little 2 ounce shea butter size, and cranberry orange to me smells pretty sweet and fruity. It's not a real spicy smell. I don't want to open this one, but it's a nice one. So if you know someone that likes, you know, is not real crazy about like all of the clove and cinnamon and everything like that, this might be a nice one for them. So this is a great little box. You can either, you know, just use this as one nice gift for someone. There's quite a bit of variety of things to try. Or if you're breaking it up for, like I said, teacher gifts or just, you know, little stocking stuffers for family or friends. Each of these is a great little gift, and normally these little 2 ounce tubs, I think they run $8 for the shea butter, so already that's $16, and these are usually I think 10 or 12, so you've got way more than the $20 value than what you paid for it. It's probably more like a $30 to $35 value on the box. I don't know about the soap because that's not even in the catalog. Normally their glycerin soaps run, I think, $8 to $10 as well. So the Joyful Jordan boxes, I forgot to mention that, they're always a $20 box, so you always pay $20 plus the shipping, and they guarantee there's at least $25 worth of product in the box, and every one I've seen has been way more than that. So it's also a really great value and a great way to just kind of stock up on some gifts that you've gotten a little savings on. So definitely keep that in mind too. So there you go. That is the December 2018 Joyful Jordan box. And if you have any questions, just feel free to drop them down below. I'll put a link to my web store where you can purchase these Joyful Jordan boxes. And again, you can just get one or get 10 if you want to just really stock up, or give them to everybody. Or it'll have the link too. So if you want to do the subscription box where you have it set up as a prepay and you get 3 months, you know, set up ahead of time, you can do that. Or if you just want to do it as a recurring order where every month it charges your card for that 1 month and you get it shipped out and you're ready to go for that month. So thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys have a great one. I'm getting excited for Christmas. It's amazing to think we are now in December. Woohoo! I love the holidays and this time of year, especially when I can do a little bit of prepping and planning ahead of time and actually enjoy it by not being so stressed. So things like this help because you can just grab it up and you've got your, look at this, this could be 4 gifts ready to go. Throw some chocolates in with each one in a little gift bag or box and a nice note and you're set. So, all right guys, thanks again. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube, and I will see you in the next video. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.